So I've made what I hope is a bit of an update to the Water Only Rectangles app that I posted about a week or so ago. Actually, I fixed one bug that was in that video where when I was trying to add the toolpath on the part on the left, the toolpath while it was there wasn't really showing up, so I fixed that, as well as since I was 80% of the way there, and this is what I'm calling Water Only Rectangles R2, since I was 80% of the way there, I figured I might as well just make it easy to make the CNC file from the same app. So top portion will be the same as shown in that prior video. Down here you can select a machine. It's going to list all your water only machines, and then it'll give you a listing of your any material that's got water only available in it. And then as you change that, it'll show you what thicknesses are available, and when you choose a thickness it'll pick the speed that was in that file, as well as the delay after water on, and from the machine file the delay after water off. You can of course modify these if you want these to be different from the default values. You can choose where you want your CNC file to be saved. Click on OK. You will at this point give it a name. So for the CNC file, it'll do the two layouts as before, and then it'll also make the CNC files, makes two files, one for the left, one for the right. You can click on this button here to open up one of those CNC files. So if you want to look at it, just confirm what's in there, you can do that. Or you can click on the overlay CNC button and it'll run the NC reader. You can click on that, so this gives just a nice overlay to confirm that the CNC file should match up with what's actually drawn on the screen. If you're interested in downloading the update there, as usual, you can go to ikulu.wordjet.com to the IGEMS page and go down, of course, to our apps area, and got Water Only Rectangles R2. Click on that to download the app list file and copy it to your app folder and so on. If any questions on that, let me know. Thanks.